Hey guys, today we're going to go over one of the best kept secrets of lawn care, and that's using diesel exhaust fluid as a source of nitrogen for your grass. Now before you roll your eyes and wonder why in the world we'd be putting diesel exhaust fluid on your grass, you have to look at the ingredients of what make up diesel exhaust fluid. So diesel exhaust fluid only has two ingredients in it. Number one is water, and number two is urea. Now, urea is one of the main sources of nitrogen that you'll find in most nitrogen fertilizers. And because diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, has urea in it, it comes down to an NPK ratio of about 15:0:0. Not only is DEF basically pure nitrogen, but it's one of the cheapest nitrogen fertilizers that you can buy. And in fact, you can find this at your local Walmart or Lowe's or Home Depot or any big box store for really, really cheap. Okay, so let's talk application rate. So because DEF is about a 15:0:0 on the NPK scale, that means you want to put down about 0.15 pounds of nitrogen per every 1,000 square feet. This means that you would put about 14 fluid ounces or 1 3/4 cup of DEF into 1 gallon of water to cover 1,000 square feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. So I'm gonna be putting 1 3/4 cup or 14 fluid ounces per gallon in here. So I'm gonna double that because I've got 2 gallons. So let's go ahead and mix this up. All right, now we're gonna put water in this, get it all mixed up. We're gonna go spray it. All right, so because I have 2 gallons here, I put nearly 4 cups of DEF inside of here. So I'm gonna fill this up to the 2 gallon mark, and then we're gonna get this sprayed. All right guys, so I just got this all mixed up. We're gonna go spray this lawn, but before I do, if you're having a hard time finding any of the stuff that I'm using in this video, don't worry, because I've got links for everything that I'm using today in the description below. All right, let's go spray this lawn. As you can see, there's parts of the lawn that are just needing some nitrogen. So we're gonna go ahead and put this DEF down and wait about 7 days and see how it looks. All right guys, so we just got this sprayed. So now we're gonna water this in and we're gonna wait about 7 days to see if we get a green up. All right guys, so it's been about 7 days since we put this blue DEF down, and you can see we're getting a really nice green up. So you can see right here, we're getting some really nice green color in the grass from that blue DEF. It just really did a good job kind of greening this up. So you can see this area right here was really, really brown and yellow before we put the blue DEF down, but it is bouncing right back. We're also getting some really nice green up right in here. So yeah, blue DEF for the win, guys. So as you can see guys, putting DEF on your lawn is a great way to put pure synthetic urea or nitrogen on your grass to help it to green up fast. And the really nice perk is that it's super cheap. If you like this video, please make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you'll be alerted when we put out more helpful content like this. And if you're having a hard time with your grass and you're just not sure why it's not greening up, then make sure you watch this video where we go over from start to finish how to take a soil sample test. By taking a soil sample, you'll know exactly what's going on with your grass. So make sure that you watch this video, and we'll see you over there.